Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook video. Today we're going to cover the usual DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD pairs. But as we always do, we start off with the economic calendar and just revise what we've got coming up for today. Now, as we discussed yesterday, we do have the US news coming out at the start of the New York session, and we have the core PPI month on month coming out. So that will cause a bit of volatility in the market. So if you are going to be trading today, just be careful that news is coming up and manage your risks accordingly around that time. So as we discussed yesterday, yesterday's session opened, we saw that we had obviously come up, tapped this 50%. We pulled all the way down. We're internal of this leg still, and we're anticipating a further pull down into here with possibly either a reaction to then cause us to go long, or a possible further short from here. Obviously, we didn't quite get that break of the area that we were looking for, but we can see here on a 4-hour that we have perfectly come down and kissed that area twice and are still holding off, but we are not getting the, the big expansion candles, full body candles out of this area that we would anticipate, which sort of gives us an indication that this area is weak. There's not many orders in here, so we would probably see a further breakdown, as the 4-hour is still very bearish and the 15-minute here is also very bearish. We would probably look for a continuation shorter. Now, if we just have a quick revisit of yesterday's price action, we did mark out this this area here with the imbalanced price action in here on the 15-minute. We can see here coming out of the Asian range yesterday, perfectly wicked up into that imbalanced area, and then London opened and we sort of dropped straight from there, obviously then retracing a little bit and further pushing down lower. Now we've sort of consolidated here since, creating a little bit of a base on top of this area here, so building up liquidity on the low side. So what I would anticipate today is again a further push short, either that way or this way. Basically looking for areas, if we do get a bit of a pullback, waiting for those lower time frame trend changes to then look at continuing short from that area. Over to Euro USD. So we look at Euro USD yesterday, same sort of thing. 15-minute here, we did have this imbalanced price action area here marked out. Asian range closed, swept Asian low liquidity straight into this imbalanced area, and then ultimately push straight up, coming up to this previous high. Now, we did mark this out on yesterday, and we can see here that we have actually wicked above it and come back lower. So indicating that we are probably going to continue again higher. Again, this will be based on the news coming from the US today, I would feel. So, but again, looking at probably a long situation from here is my assumption. I think that's the higher probability from this area. As we can see here, we've had a push up, pretty balanced, push up, come back down, filling imbalance areas as we go, pushing up, pretty balanced price action all the way up, pull back down, and then push back up. So basically this price action has been pretty balanced on its way up. So basically on this 15-minute here, just looking for possible entry points. So do we get a possible pull down, sweeping low side liquidity here into, this, we had this pullback and then that initiated this sort of retrace here. So do we come down into this area before going long, or do we look at, say, maybe breaking higher, retesting and going long from there? Again, basically got the long bias here at the moment. So we're just waiting to see, is this, what sort of trades present themselves for a long bias trade today. GBP USD, basically exactly the same thing. We have seen, imbalance area marked out, Asian range finished, pulled down, London open, straight away we pump higher, bit of a retrace, and then obviously New York opened, pumped higher again. So same sort of thing. And again, we see here took out that high and has convincingly kept going up. So obviously British pound is quite strong, relevant to the dollar at the moment. So could be giving us a little bit of an indication on what we could be expecting on EU of further further push higher. So basically looking at this pull down either to the low side into an area, maybe even a retest back on top of this this old high to go long, or whether we see a push up, red line retest, and away we go from there. So basically they're the two trades areas that we're looking for. Pretty well, but pretty long bias at the moment. 4 hours very strong long, 15 minutes still very strong long. So we need to keep trading with that sort of strength until we get proven otherwise. So basically, thanks for jumping on again, guys. We'll revisit the price action tomorrow on tomorrow's video, see what the news brings to us, and I'll catch you then. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.